Stop by and take a look at the 2006 Town & Country. Town & Country's V6 engine provides plenty of power while still providing the fuel efficiency you look for in a vehicle. Tow up to 3,600 pounds when your Town & Country is equipped with a towing prep package. Seat 7 comfortably and choose from stow and go seating or the innovative swivel and go seating. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, rear quarter windows, power, traction control, roof rack, airbags, driver, knee, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.